whereas conjugation is considered to be a minor pathway. So, resulting in sulfation or glucuronidation of the original estrogenic steroid. Now, glucuronide and sulfate conjugates reach the small intestine by way of bile duct. Hydrolytic enzymes of intestinal bacteria break the conjugates down, resulting in the release of free active estrogenic hormone. So, the active hormone is then available for reabsorption and undergoes an enterohepatic cycling, which is responsible for plasma estrogen levels necessary for contraception. Okay. So, progestins also undergo hydroxylation, sulfation and glucuronidation, but they are less subjected to enterohepatic circulation. So, what is the mechanism of interaction here? Rifampin is a P450 system inducer. Okay. Hydroxylation of estradiol and progestin is dependent on CYP3A4. Induction of CYP3A4 will cause what? Increased metabolism of this hormone, resulting in sub-therapeutic concentration of this drug. So, what is the result of interaction? Failure of contraception. Okay. Failure of contraception, menstrual irregularity, etc. So, what is the additional measure to be taken? What can we take? We should avoid keeping OCP in patients taking rifampicin. Okay. So, you have to write this thing. Okay.